Wasting time on repetitive tasks? Boost your productivity with AutoCAD 2026. Here are the new features that'll save you time, clicks, and effort. Experience the fastest release of AutoCAD yet. Experience up to 11 times faster file open and 4 times faster startup times in AutoCAD 2026 versus AutoCAD 2025. CAD managers can now define one set of project-aware support files and settings for an Autodesk Docs project. This feature gives teams the ability to view and edit DWG files with the intended support files without requiring additional steps to configure individual users or AutoCAD installations. You can now import and connect JPG, PNG, and PDF markups from Autodesk Docs. Improve design efficiency and save time when cleaning up drawings by automatically recognizing objects to convert into blocks. Quickly search your drawings for objects, matching text and variable text to convert into instances of a newly defined block, an existing or recently used block, or a suggested block from your block libraries with the help of Autodesk AI. Stay informed with access to essential design data with detailed multi-user event logs, tracking for over 35 activity types, including version history, file comparison tools, and new What's Changed insights. Help streamline collaboration on Autodesk Docs projects with multi-user markups. Collect and share feedback directly on drawings using intuitive Autodesk Docs markup tools. AutoCAD, trusted by millions. That's the AutoCAD 2026 advantage. AutoCAD 2026, designed to move you forward.